Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for the episode, this Coinbase model right here, and basically what this is an iPhone car charger that also has an extra USB output that you can use to charge other devices at the same time. If you can see for this part right here, it's from the brand called Unbreakable Cables. And you can see from the packaging, actually looks really cool. But first thing first, let's open product to show you guys what's actually included inside first. So I'm gonna open the top part right here. So when you guys first open the product, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. Let's take it out. So inside they do provide a little thank you card right here. And then right here is the actual product. Let's take it out from the wrapper first. Alright. So when you take it out, you can see that this is basically what the product looks like. Right out the bat, when I feel the material on here, it definitely feels really nice. It definitely has that kind of like matte feeling to it when you guys feel the material on here. But when you see, this is basically what the product looks like. So all you need to do is plug this into your car outlet to generate power onto the actual product right here. And this like you can plug it into an iPhone or any device that can support the lightning cable right here. And right here, when you see, they do have a USB output. And for both of these, both the iPhone cable right here and for this outlet right here, both of them are 2.4A for a total of 4.8A. So you definitely get a really fast charge when you actually use this cable right here. And for the cable that they have right here, they mentioned how they have an upgraded MFI cable. So you definitely get like a fast charging speed and also a safe charging speed as well. So it definitely has all the protection on here, like the over voltage protection, overcharge protection, and the list goes on. In terms of cable that's on here, you can see it's super flexible. So if you need to stretch it, you can definitely see how far it can stretch. So that way, when you're using a car, if you guys want to use it, and maybe your friend or your family want to use it in the back, they can stretch it all the way back. You can see really far, which is pretty nice. But that's basically everything that's on the product. Then I should bring this over to the car to show you guys how to use it and when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so right here we have the cable plugged in. Let's test it out. So I'm going to use the lightning cable right here to plug into my iPhone first. Alright, that definitely does work. Now let's try the USB option right here. Alright, so you can see that this is charging this as well, and this is my aux adapter, so I can use it in my car or somewhere else. So you can use both plug outlet at the same time if you guys want to. And obviously right now when I'm using it for this device right here, this doesn't support fast charging, this does slow charging, so I can't really show you guys how fast it charges with this one. And for my phone right now, it's basically almost fully charged, so I can't show you guys how fast that's charging as well. But if you guys have it like under like 10%, 20%, basically the lower your percentage is, the faster it actually charges using the 2.4A charging speed. I definitely love this option right here where it's really stretchable. So if you guys want to extend it all to the back seat, you definitely can as well. Welcome back, guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product and definitely see it actually does work and works quite well. Literally all you need to do is plug in that one end into your car outlet to generate power onto the device. Then use the cable to recharge your iPhone, and you can use the USB output to charge another device at the same time, which is pretty awesome. Especially because both of them has a 2.4A charging speed. You can definitely get like a fast charging speed and a safe charge as well. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now the unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this cable in particular, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want or need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a car charger where you can actually charge like your iPhone device and another device using USB, then this one is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it'll definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.